If you use Google Calendar every day, adding to-do lists directly into your calendar can make your schedule so much easier to manage. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add tasks in Google Calendar step by step, so you can keep all of your important reminders, deadlines, and to-dos in one place. This is a super simple feature, but it can save you a lot of time and help you stay organized. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Google tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Google Calendar on your computer. Make sure you're signed in to the same Google account where you want to add your tasks. Once your calendar is open, look over to the right side of the screen. You'll see a small tasks icon, usually shown as a check mark. Click that icon to open the tasks panel. Now that the tasks panel is open, click Add a Task. This will create a new task that you can customize. In the task name field, type the name of your to-do item. For example, you could enter something like Submit Monthly Report, Call the Client, or Finish Project Draft. Try to keep the task name clear and specific so you always know exactly what needs to be done. Next, if you want the task to show up on a certain day, click the Date and Time option. This lets you assign a due date so the task appears in your calendar on the correct day. If your task needs to happen at a specific hour, you can also add a time. That is especially helpful for meetings, deadlines, phone calls, or anything that needs a reminder at a certain point in the day. After you've entered the task name, date, and time, click Save. Once you save it, the task will now appear in your Google Calendar. This is what makes it so useful, because your to-do list is no longer separated from your schedule. Everything is in one place, making it much easier to plan your day. When you finish the task, you can click the task directly on the calendar to mark it as completed. This helps you track progress and keeps your calendar organized. Over time, this becomes a really efficient way to manage your work, personal errands, and daily priorities. So that's how to add to-do lists in Google Calendar in just a few simple steps. If this tutorial helped you out, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more useful productivity tips and Google Calendar guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.